Okay, this is a lesson to support what you're learning in this lesson. So I'm going to give you some background knowledge. I highly recommend that you take notes on this. So this is a problem, and I'm going to represent this problem as relations. Relations is anything that can be graphed. So Miss Sec has $5. She gets $2 per day. You're going to represent this as a table, ordered pairs, mapping diagram, and a graph. So we're comparing the number of days with how much money Miss Sec has. So she has $5, so that's when she begins. So on day 0, she has $5. On day 1, she gets $2 per day, so she has $7. On day 2, she gets $2 more, so she has $9. So I can represent this as an ordered pair. And then I could also graph this. So when you put I can do a mapping diagram for this. Well, I can graph it first. 0, 5. So I need to know how I'm skip counting. So I don't want to put 5, 7, 9 on the y-axis because you have to skip by consistent intervals. And I also don't have a lot of space on this Jamboard. So I'm going to skip count by 2s. Okay, so I begin with $5 on day 0. So day 0 is in between 4 and 6. Begin with $5, then I have $7, and then I have $9. Okay, so what's important about the graph is that you skip count it by consistent intervals. Now, for the mapping diagram, you have to put the numbers in order from least to greatest. The numbers cannot repeat, and you have to draw arrows from the input to the output. So the input is 0, 1, and 2. They're the x values, and the output is 5, 7, 9. So I'm going to draw arrows from the input to the output. Now that was easy. Let's look at some representations and determine if there is a function. This one is a function because every input has exactly one output. Notice the inputs don't repeat. But let's look over here. Over here, 2 has one output, 5 has one output, and 11 has one output. So this is a function. In this one, 3 has one output, but the number 4 has 2 outputs, has an output of 10 and an output of 11. So this is not a function. Let's look at this one. You see the input 1 has 2 different outputs. So this is not a function. And 8 has one output, 10 has one output, and 12 has one output. So this is a function. So this video will support the things that you're doing in this Google slide.